Find online car auctions. Second-hand cars do not necessarily mean second-rate. It all depends on which car you get and what condition it is in. In fact, buying second-hand cars might actually prove to be smarter than buying a new one that comes directly off the ramp. Because car manufacturers are constantly competing with each other to produce more reliable cars and to come up with fresher designs, the cars that make it off the drawing board to be assembled, displayed, and snapped up by customers looking for something new to drive are almost always replaced in a year or two by something else boasting to be sleeker, hotter, faster, better than the last. This means that a new car, once it is taken out of the showroom, will fetch a price that's infinitely less than the one you got it for if you do try to sell it later on. So, anyone interested in making a good deal on a car should probably look into buying a used car instead of a new one. Here are a few sites you might consider visiting to look for your ideal car and get it at a price you can easily afford. Car-auction.com is a seized vehicle auction site where you can search in their database for a new or used model of the car you want. It will give you results from different auction sites that have what you desire and boasts about how you might be able to close sweet deals at up to 90% off the usual retail value for such a car, though you do need to register to have full access, and get VIP membership if you want unlimited access into everything that car-auction.com has to offer. You might also search for police car auctions held online which offer the sale of cars for a more affordable price than normal auctions. In police car auctions, since what's for show are basically vehicles seized by the government, the car prices do not follow market trends and you can get a pretty cool car for a fraction of its original cost in the market. Auction Fire is a free auction site which, among other things, offers links to websites with cars being auctioned off, giving you an opportunity to look through what they have in an easy and efficient way. A good thing about this site is that it does not charge a listing fee, and it maintains a message board for auction fraud alerts. For site links to pages relating to car deals and where to find the cheapest cars online, or resources on car safety and the like, you can look at onlinecarauctions.net. You might look for used cars in all the usual places that sell such things for less than dealer prices, in auto auctions, which might be closed to you unless you are a dealer, and government auctions. But in the spirit of simplifying everything, you can look for a used car online by checking used car auction sites. It doesn't matter if you have already decided on a specific car or if you're still looking for the one you might like, you will find a lot of choices made available to you through car auction sites.